Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography, and what is our topic today? Soil erosion. There is the most important for the all class student. There is a soil erosion. There is removal of soil at the greater rate than its displacement by nature agency. The natural agency here, a water, wind. There is a natural agency is known as the soil erosion. There is the most important. The here first here types of the soil erosion. What is the type of soil erosion here? The soil erosion is of four types mainly. The wind erosion, sheet erosion, rail erosions, and gully erosion. There is the most important four here. Erosion of four types. The first here, the wind erosions. The wind carry away to the west is the quantity of fine soil particles and sand from a desert and spread it over adjoining a cultivated land and thus that destroy their fertility. And this type of erosion is known as a wind erosion. It is a take place in and around all desert regions of a world. In India, over 1 lakh kilometer of land is under third desert. Third desert is a very important and spread over part of Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, and Rajasthan state. This area is subject to intense of wind erosion. There is the most important here. The third desert is the most important of the wind erosions and also is a Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan state. There is an area are subject to intense of wind erosion. The next is a siege erosion. The water when to move a siege take away thick layer of soil. There is the most important thick layer of soil. And this type of erosion is called sheet erosions. There is called sheet erosions. And such types of erosion is the most commonly along the river bed and area affected by floods. In the long run, there is soil is a completely excluded due to the removal of topsoil or become a infertility. That is called to the sheet erosions. And the next year, a real erosion. There is a removal of surface material, usually of soil, by the action of running water. By the action of running water, the process create a numerous teeny channels or rill. There is a teeny channel is called rills, a few centimeters in a depth, and the most which carry of water only during to the storms. The next here is a gully erosion. There is the most important here. Gully erosions come to the many times of exam. When the water move as a channel down to the slope. The when water move a channel down to slope, it is a scopes and out the soil and the form of gullies, which gradually is a multiply and it is a long run spread over to the wild area. And these types of erosion is called gully erosion. And the land thus are distracted is called bad land Venice. In our country, two rivers is a Chambal and Yamuna are famous from their revenues in the UP and MP state. There is a most important for a gully erosion and this side. The controlling factor is the last two types of erosion are the velocity and amount of surface runoff. The erodibility of the soil, nature of slope, there is a texture and structure of the soil, the nature of participation and vegetation cover. The speed and frequency of winds are dust, storm, and vegetation covered by their controlling factor in a wind erosion. The sea waves are responsible for endings of soil along to the coastal formed by as a big rock such as a limestone, etc. And this type of erosion is a widespread along is a Kerala coastal. And substanding soil erosion is also caused by the changing river channels and snowfall, especially in a river, is a basin and the hilly region. This is the most important fact here. Our conclusion, there is the most important point arrived. The removal of soil material and naturally or by human action is called soil erosion. There is definition the most important. What is the soil erosion? There is removal of soil material naturally by human action is called soil erosion. The soil erosion is of four types mainly of wind erosions, sheet erosions, rails erosion, and gully erosion. That is the most important. And also here, the factor influencing soil erosion are velocity and amount of surface of runoff, nature of slope, texture, structure of soil, and frequency and speed of winds. There is a most important 3 point here as like a summary.